Hi friends, it's me, Miss Chacon, and I'm here because I wanted to teach you a math lesson. So we're starting right where we left off. We're on numbers to 120. And before we start, I just want to let you know that you'll be seeing a little thing right around here. It has like a little recorder thing. That's just, you can ignore that. You can see right through it. So just ignore that and I'll be writing along with you. While I'm doing the lesson, you can follow along with your own lesson that I sent you through Class Dojo. Also, I just wanted to let you all know that I'm thinking of you and I miss you. And if you ever have anything that you need to tell me, just message me through Class Dojo and I'll respond right away. So, let's get started on numbers 1 through 120. So, it says, explore and explain. Use hundreds blocks. Remember, we have our hundreds blocks. We use 10 blocks. These are our 10 blocks here. It has 10 in one of these blocks. And use ones blocks. So those little ones blocks are very tiny because they only have one on them. So let's start. How many different ways can we show with our blocks? How many different ways can we show 100? Well, we know that if I draw one big, give me 1 second, my friends. If I draw one big 100 right here, one big hundreds block, how many hundreds does it have? If I draw one big hundreds block, how many hundreds does it have? This is going to be like Dora, so I'm going to wait for you to say it. Ready, set. I hope you said 1. Anyways, so, and we have it right here. So there, in 100s block, there's 100. So we have that. Now, how many tens blocks will it take to make 100? Let's see. We have 10. Count with me, my friends. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now, all my blocks don't look the same, but they're supposed to look like these little guys right here. Anyways, how many tens did it take to get to 100? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, in order to get to 100, we need 10 tens. So, let me erase this real quick. So after we finish getting our tens, we need to figure out, how many ones will it take to get to, how many ones will it take to get to 100? Let me just finish erasing this. Sorry, my friends. Technical difficulties. Blah, erase, erase, erase. Okay. So, how many ones will it take? How many ones right here? How many ones will it take to get to 100? Well, if we know our hundreds chart, which is right here, so let me show you. Hundreds chart. Look at this right here. Do you see how many ones we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many ones did it take to get to 100? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh my goodness, it's so hard to count to 100. But how many ones are there here? I hope you said 100. There were 100 ones in 100. So, just to recap, there's 100 in 100. There are 10 tens in 100. And there are 100 ones in 100. Got that? I hope so. If you have any questions, remember to comment on Class Dojo. Okay, next page. So, see and show. You can use hundreds, tens, and ones to show a number. So here we have our hundreds, tens, ones, hundreds, tens, ones. On this right here, on this little chart right here, it's showing it with blocks. So for hundreds, we have one 100 block, one 10 block, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones blocks. So that means on this chart we're going to write, so let's trace it. We're going to write 1 100s. We're going to trace it. So 1 100s, not that good at tracing. 1 10s, and 6 ones. Sorry, friends, I'm not that good at tracing yet. And we're going to write it down here. So 1 100, 1 10, and 6 ones. And then at the bottom right here, we're going to make our number together. So we're going to combine all of it, and it makes 116. So in 116, there is 1 100, 1 10, and 6 ones. And I'm sorry if you heard a plane flying over right now. I'm filming outside. Anyways, so let's look at this. It says, write the number in 2 ways. So here we have a 100, 110, and 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So how many am I going to put in my hundreds? If I'm going to write a number, how many am I going to put in my hundreds chart right here? The answer is 1. Now, in my tens chart, I'm going to put how many? How many 10 blocks do I have? You're right, it's 1. And in my ones chart right here, how many ones blocks are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to write a 4. Oop, that's a messy 4. Anyways, so we're going to bring this number together and write, what number is this? What's the mystery number, my friends? Shout it out. 114. Good job. So now for this part, it's on my own. And class, we know that we're supposed to do on my own, on my own. So what I'm going to do is I want you to pause this video for, let's say, 3 minutes and try doing this part all on your own. Then, when you finish solving it all on your own, come back here to this video and we'll solve it together. Okay, ready, set, go. You have 3 minutes. So now let's work on this together. So we have, it looks here like we have a hundreds chart. Well, we have 1 100, 1 10, and 1 1. So I'm going to put 100, 1 10, and 1 1. Now, let's put this number together. And what is this number right here? Shout it out. 111. Good job, my friends. I know you're doing so good at home. And let's look at this one. We have 100s, 110, and let's count how many ones we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see how I can draw an 8. Hopefully it's not too messy. There we go, 118. So we're going to write 118. Good job, everyone. Okay, now this one's a little tricky, so I hope you did it right. If not, we all learn from our mistakes, and we're going to learn now, okay? So, how many hundreds do we have here? I hope you said 1. How many tens do we have here? Oh no, I don't see any tens blocks here. Well, that means I'm going to put a 0. Then, that's an ugly 0. Sorry, my friends, my drawing's not the best. Anyways, it's because there's 0 tens, we put 0 tens here as well. Now let's count the ones. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh. 9. Now, what's our number here at the end when we put it all together? 109. What number is 109? I hope you're saying 109. Okay, let's go to the next page. I'm going to give you a second to write all this down. Also for talk math right here, if you want to talk math with your family or with your dog or your cat or your goldfish and tell them how many hundreds, tens, and ones are in 102, you feel free to talk that math with your parents, your grandparents, your siblings, your dog, your fish, or anyone else. Remember, talk math means we talk it out loud. So remember, talk this math out loud with your family. Okay, let's go to the next page. Oh, sorry, my friends. 1 second. Technical difficulties. There we go. Huh. Okay, well, that was the end of the math lesson either way. So I think we're good with that. If any of you have any more questions about the math, or if you have any questions about the homework that I did send home, remember to message me on Class Dojo. Also, for homework, you won't be doing this. For homework, I want you to do, so remember this on Mighty Equations. So for Mighty Equations, you're going to do day 6, day 7, day 8, day 9, and day 10. So for these days, so I'll highlight it right here, these days you're going to do from Monday to Friday. Then, down here, so we're going to skip this. For number of the day contest, you are going to do this one. So this one says, there are 16 stickers on a page. I gave away 7 stickers to my friends. How many stickers do I have now? Think about it, my friends. Are you going to add? Are you going to subtract? Draw a picture, write a number sentence, and write an actual sentence, just like we have done at school, okay? So you're going to do this one and this one. So let's see what this one says. There are 9 fish in the tank. I went to the store and got 8 more. How many fish do I have now? So if there are 9 fishies in the tank and you went to the store and got 8 more, do you have more fish now or less fish? Are you going to add or subtract? Think about it, talk it out with your family, draw a picture, write a number sentence, and write about it. You can do it. I believe in you. So that's the end of our session for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate all of you. And stay safe, stay healthy, stay well. I miss you, Room 47. All right, see you later.